and there's really practical solutions that you can take back to your workforce.
There's been quite interesting opportunities to look at different ways and unique ways of positioning what we do differently.
Spoken to some companies that are looking to make some decisions, so hopefully we'll have a good turnout from this year's show.
And it's been a great experience for me. Meeting new people, like I said, and potential leads has been excellent. Make it as interactive as possible.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, definitely back next year.
Production allowing, yes.
Yes, I would definitely be back next year.
Absolutely.
100% yes.